Hey guys, are you a real estate agents that are hustling every single day in and out, trying to close leads, and you're still feeling like you're not standing out in front of the crowded market? If that sounds familiar, it's time to rethink your approach. The secret to skyrocketing your success as a real estate agent isn't just doing open houses or doing cold calling, it's content marketing. My name is James, and in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you why content marketing strategy is a must for every single real estate agents out there. And if you want to dominate your market, you gotta be creating content. Stick around, guys, because this could be a game changer for your business. So let's dive in. First, let's clear what is content marketing. It's just not posting random photos or just house tours on social media. Content marketing is about creating content that is valuable. It's about creating consistent content. It's about creating blog posts, videos, on social media updates. It is used to attract, educate, and engage with your ideal target clients. It's about building trust. It's about positioning you as a go-to expert in your area. So for example, for a real estate agent, this could mean sharing tips on the home buying process. It could mean showcasing local market trends. It means giving virtual tours in the neighborhood. The goal really is to connect with potential clients before they're ready to buy or sell. So when they are, you'll be the first person they're gonna think of. Why is content marketing so critical for a real estate agent? Let's break it down, guys, into 3 reasons why. The first reason is that it builds trust and authority. Guys, real estate is a trust-based business, and clients want to work with someone who they know and trust. By sharing valuable content like videos explaining the home buying process or a blog post like mistakes seller makes, this type of stuff shows that you are an expert and people will start seeing you as somebody who's knowledgeable, professional, not just another agent. Over time, this builds a loyal audience who turn to you when they're ready to make that move. So reason number 2 is that it attracts leads organically. Guys, cold calling and door knocking is exhausting. Let's be honest, most people don't being sold to. Content marketing flipped that script. So when you post helpful tips on Instagram Reel about mortgage tips, or when you post a blog post about the best neighborhood for families, you're attracting people who are already interested. These are warm leads who will find you, saving you time and effort. Number 3 is that it sets you apart from a very competitive market. The real estate industry is super crowded, and a strong marketing strategy makes you memorable. Whether it's your unique take on the local market updates or your YouTube series on home staging, great content helps you stand out from the sea of just sold posts. It gives you the chance to showcase your personality and brand. So what happens if you do not have a marketing strategy? Now let's talk about the flip side of all this. If you're not using content marketing for your business, you're missing out big time. Here's what happens. You blend in. Without content, you're just another agent with a business card. Clients have no reason to choose you over somebody else. It's on expensive ads, and paid ad does work, but it's very costly and it's often short-lived. Content marketing helps you build that relationship and build long-term visibility for a fraction of a cost. If you're not doing content marketing, you'll end up losing leads to your competitor. If a potential client searches the best real estate agent in your city and find your competitor blogs or your competitor YouTube channel, instead of you guys, guess who are they calling? Right, they're gonna call that person. If you don't have a content marketing strategy, what end up happening is that you work harder and not smarter. You end up chasing them instead of they chasing you. This leads to burnout, which limit your growth. Don't let that be your story, guys. Content marketing is the best ticket for you to work smarter and build a sustainable business. So how does content marketing strategy work? Here's the 4 practical steps to building content marketing strategies that work for a real estate agent. First, know your audience. Who are you trying to reach? Are you trying to reach first-time home buyers? Are you trying to reach luxury seller? Are you trying to reach retiree that's looking to downsize? Get specific about the needs and create content that speak directly to them. For example, if you're targeting young family, post content regarding school district or kid-friendly neighborhoods. Number 2, create valuable content. Focus on content that educates or entertains. Try making videos like 5 things to know before buying in your city, or maybe a blog post about local market trend. Use platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or blog on your website. Don't forget to optimize your searches too, and try to use keywords like real estate in your city so you can get found in Google, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, or on X. Commit to posting at least once a day or twice a week. You want to post as many times as you can. Create a content calendar and try to stay organized. Even 30 minutes a week can make a huge difference in your business over time. Step number 4 is that what you want to do is you want to engage with your audience. Content marketing isn't a one-way street. So start responding to your comments and start responding to your posts. Engage with these people. So let me share you guys a quick story. One of our friends, he's a real estate agent in a very competitive market in the real estate side in the San Francisco market. And John was pretty much struggled to get noticed, and he was relying on referrals and he was relying on ads and all that stuff. Then he started his YouTube channel, and within weeks he started uploading about market updates, market trends, home buying tips, and then he started posting shorts on Instagram and Instagram Reel. He started showcasing house tours and neighborhood tours and all that stuff. And within the last 6 months, his video were getting thousands of views. And he was getting calls from clients all online. Last year, he closed all of his deals all on YouTube videos. We're also doing it as well. Guys, story is just an example of what's possible when you commit to content marketing. Here's our challenge to you. Start your content marketing journey today and pick one platform. You can use Instagram, or you can create a website blog post. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be helpful. Your future client is out there, guys, waiting for you. If you find this video super helpful, let us know. Give us a thumbs up, share it with your other real estate friends, and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your business. If you're interested in how you can double your business or how you can add an extra 3 to 4 sales a month consistently, check out our new construction class down below. We'd love to help you guys out in any way we can. All right, guys, this is James. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love. Are you a real estate agent that is tired of wasting your time hosting open houses, doing door knocking, and cold calling for leads? We created free training on how you can add an extra $343,000 in profit a year consistently by selling new construction homes using system, automations, and internet marketing in a brand new market, all without spending more than 4 hours a day in your real estate business. Even if you're a brand new agent with little marketing budget or nobody knows who you are, all you need to do is register the link below and we'll send you the new construction class training along with the text system and email system that we currently have. Here's what you'll learn in the new construction class training. How to find your niche and position yourself as an expert in your local market so then you can be popular and dominate your competition. You'll also learn how to get an endless stream of online leads chasing you down daily. You'll also learn how to automate your business and get the best sales agent in your market to prospect leads and generate sales for you 24/7 without ever complaining, leaving you, or taking a break. We're looking for a couple of agents that we can help grow their real estate business by helping them bring their real estate business using the internet. All you need to do is click on this link and register down below and we'll send you the new construction class training. Peace and love.